Right, so we're going to spray this down with the rust cleaner now. So I'll spray it with the spray and then we'll use the brush to clean anything off. We'll remove this first as well, this piece of board. Get inside the mechanics everywhere so we can properly give everything a good spray down and clean. So this is the National Cash Register. There's a lot of rust in it, so I'm going to use the rust remover to get rid of as much as I can out of it. And we'll give it a good clean down, make sure the mechanics work. It's not too much of a hard job. Here is the front. On the side here is the front. We're going to spray that down as well. So and then use a brush just to remove any loose material off the actual item. I'm going to remove all this loose material. Most important thing about these is the actual mechanics are working properly, because the rust will just seize the mechanics in these things. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the rust is gradually coming off. It will take some time. Some bits will need refinishing again. We'll spray it for a little while. Again, leave it. Make sure we get inside everywhere. The reason you use a brush is to actually push it into the brush. Right, we're going to leave it now, and then I'll get back to you with another shot. So there you can see is the bars for the prices. I've given them all nice clean inside. They're still rusted, it'll take a while. There's the counting mechanism. Here's the receipt mechanism. So overall, for the purpose of the video, I've removed the drawer because it's just easier to work. I'm going to use a piece of sandpaper to sand down the edges, so anything like this will come off with the sandpaper now. A little piece of sandpaper. Remove anything. Let's try it. There you go. So it is working as it's meant to. The numbers need sorting out, but I'll try and do that. Give it a thorough clean, make sure everything's properly clean. I'll show you one of the areas here. Here's another view of the inside again. So we're going to keep going until this is properly clean. Right, that's all for today. I'm going to do a second video on painting and doing it up.